Hi, today we're going to discuss about of a chapter of master area, master data. This is the second chapter. For that we have to select a one company. So we'll select company, select a one company. Yeah, from the list we have selected. So the today our chapter is masters area. So what are the masters and what type of masters are there? What are the main things we have to do? That we'll discuss today. So there are two type of masters in this: accounting info and inventory info. So accounting related masters and inventory related masters. So first we'll discuss about of accounting info, accounting masters. Select the sub menu, accounting info. Using pressing enter, we will enter into this. Here we will find some are the sub menus here, like groups, ledgers, voucher types. And this is they are the default submenus available in Tally. It means in future means, so whenever we require a more features, so those all masters will going to be add in this area. For example, so we want to use a cost centers like a project accounting, then cost center will activate. Once we'll activate cost center, then it will come here. Like if you want to use a budget, so we'll activate the budget, then budget master also will come here. So whenever we activate that related master part will come here automatically. It's the default available. The first primary available masters are these groups, ledgers, and voucher types. So we'll see about of a groups. Yes, groups. Select a groups. Press enter. We'll find here single group, multiple group. So both are same. Nothing difference. Only thing is the creation, display, and alter. The way of display, alter, and create may be a little bit different. Like sing one by one we have to create, then go for single group creation area. Or all groups at a time you want to create, go with this multiple group area. So always we recommend you have to choose a single group area. Why? Because some of the features that may not available in the area of multiple groups area. So better you have to use single group creation area. Or multiple groups also we can use, but this is for the some purpose that we don't require other features. Only basic main things only we have to create. Then you have to use this multiple groups. For the time sake, for fastly we required. So then you use the multiple grouping option. Else you have to always prefer single group creation. So here we will have create, display, alter. So create means we want to create a new group. Display means already some groups are there, already created are there, or default are there that we want to view. You have to choose display. Whereas we want to edit the existing one, that we have to choose alter. So initially, first we'll see what are some defaultly available for the display. I'll select display. We will find the list of all groups here. So if you select one by one, like bank accounts, the initial group, press enter, then we can able to view this group related information. Here you cannot edit anything. The keys will not work out here. Only this is a display purpose. Coming back, escape, use escape to come back. And this here multiple groups area also display. This area is very useful to display at a time all groups into a one list. So go with the display, multiple area, display. Then we can able to see this all items are individual one by one, or select all items. Select all items. You will find all predefined means already readily available in the tally. There are 28 groups. Again, these 28 groups you'll find here 15 groups are a primary. You will find here primary. So the rest of groups will be dependent with some other groups, like capital account. Here depending on the capital account. Here see capital account initially it's a primary. So means the 15 groups are primary means whenever we view a report, these all groups where they will display in the reporting part. So simply we'll say that group means display reporting labels. So how example I'll show. I'm just going back to the gateway of Tally. I already told you in the previous video that everything we want to work out, we have to start from the gate. So that is called gateway of Tally. I'm coming back to gateway of Tally. I'll simply select a balance sheet just for the sake. I'm selecting it. So here, the defaultly some of the labels are displaying here: capital account, loans liability, current assets. What are these? These are the label reporting labels. Here, capital account. So the first, the primary, these are the primary things. So initially primary, whatever label is showing, that is primary, like current asset. This is a primary group. We'll press enter, then it will go under sub level. So in this area, this is called a primary. Under subgroups, like here subgroups, closing stock, cash in hand. These are the subgroups. Means the primary, they are the sub. So while creating of a group or editing of a group also, so our we have to keep mind that, so how we want to be this grouping reporting should display. According to that, you have to create. For example, you want to display under cash in hand, you want to be create a one ledger that should display under cash in hand. So at the time you have to select subgroup area is cash in hand. Else you want to display separate head like a primary head, like how current asset is showing. So then you have to choose a primary. So that will show. I'll show you. Come back. Again, I'm going back. Groups. Okay. Already some groups are there. So we are going to create a one group. How to create a group? I'll show one example base. So we'll see one group like sundry datas. This is already one group is available. This is a subgroup. How you will find a subgroup? Here, if it is dependent on already there is a group, then it is called a subgroup. So sundry data is a subgroup under current asset. Now let us assume sundry data group called, it's nothing but our customers group. Assume that we have customers in different areas like north area and south area. So we want a reporting tomorrow to the management, like we want a what is total outstanding related to north customers, what is outstanding related to south customers, the same time. So in this area, so we need to be create a grouping part. So how we'll create, I'll show some example area. So first, in the display list of all groups, we have all groups but south customers, north customers, there is no groups are there. For that we need to create. How to create? So I'll select group, create. I'm creating here north debtors. Under here, under we have to select sundry debtors, because this north debtor group I need to show under the debtors, means what is total debtors and what are the under, and total debtors under what are the north debtors. So I'll select north debtors. These are some of the features I will explain. Group behave like a subledger. So this is option while displaying in the detail mode, like in trial balance, where the under whatever under of this north data, the detail we don't want the subgrouping detail, then we have to simply set yes. Means we put yes means group behave like a subledger, means we don't want the detail one always to expand. Net debit, net credit for the reporting means, let assume north data total value is 20,000 debit, 10,000 credit. So in the trial balance area, it will show that debit 20,000, credit 10,000. Instead of that, if we put yes here, then it will adjust the debit and credit. It will show that 10,000 is the net debit, like this. Then used for calculation, this is used for the, if this group this group going to be used for the ledgers for the calculation part, then we can use this option. And this is related to valuation method for the inventory purpose, like some are the taxes, that some are the expenses that we need to appropriate value to that inventory, then we can use it. This is a one advanced chapter will be there, that is called additional cost of purchases. On that concept, we'll discuss this. I'm accepting, not data. The same, south data. So I have created two things. One is we'll see then display. Where is our created data like this too? North data, south data. These were created. Here you will find that what are the submenus, subgroups, sundry data, send data. Now we created a groups. And now we are going to create some ledgers for that. Groups already we discussed now. The ledgers. Ledgers means they are actual accounting heads. Means these are the ledger heads. So in Tally there are two ledger heads defaultly available. One is cash and second is profit and loss account. Rest all ledgers we have to create. There is no any predefined template of ledgers in Tally. We need to create. Always we need to create the creation. So select a ledger, same single ledger creation area and multi ledger creation area. Both same. How we discuss in the group area, concept is same for the all masters. Concept is the same. Single grouping, single creation area, multi creation area. Ledger. So we are going to be create now a single creation mode. Create. I am creating. Ramesh under. So here we need to mention that this accounting head related to what type of means what nature of this master, like this is what type of under which group it will come. So here list of all groups displays. Here let assume he is from north customer, so select north data, and these are the option we'll discuss later. These are some advanced one. Maintain bill by bill means like outstanding management, like that. Address, state, statutory part, everything we'll discuss later about this. Only we are giving some opening balance for the some reporting purpose only. I'm just giving. So he is due of 20,000 rupees. Second, I'll create Kumar. He's also from north. 40,000 rupees. uh, I'll create Robert. He's from south. Let's assume he's from south. 30,000 rupees. It's a due of 30,000 rupees. The opening balance. And a year, 50,000 rupees. So I've created some of the ledgers according to their group. I just go back to the main gate of Tally. I'll go to the balance sheet. We'll check the report. Let's see here. Here in the current asset, it is showing some value. If I press enter, this is a primary. This is a primary. So I already told you primary means the basic display label. So I'll press enter. Then again I'll display the sub level sundry data. If I press enter again, here we'll find that node data, south data, how we already created. So how we need a report, that report we created. Here, if you want to see in detail, Alt F1, we can able to find that what are the client information like Kumar, Ramesh, Iyer, Robert, and everything. Wherever you want the reporting, simply press enter. It will be good. Like current assets, sundry data. So this is an advantage of grouping. If you want, so always you have to keep mind that how we need a reporting on the basis we have to create a groups. Okay. Uh, that is called groups and ledger. And coming to voucher type. Voucher type means they are the like a registers. How we keep our physical voucher documents into a registers like all payments, voucher register, all receipts, all purchases, all sales. So how we keeping like a files in the office the same way. This is also like a register, like a quanta register, journal register, purchase register, payment registers like this. So Tally already having some list of predefined registers like payment is there. Payment already is available. So list of all registers. So here what we can do is if we want to create a new registers or else we want to create a again a sub registers like for example already a payment is there. I want to be segregate all cash payment separate, bank payment separate. So on that part, so we can create separate registers also. Like I'll show some example. And not only that, even we can reconfigure so many features related to that registers. There may be a numbering method, narration pattern, using for the automatic number, manual number, for the even a suffix and prefix uses, and so many advanced voucher classes options means automatically debit, automatically credit. So many features are there. So I will create one separate video for only voucher type, complete voucher type information. You just post me in your comment if you're really looking to learn deeply about a voucher type entire part. If you, if you request comment, then I will prepare a video for that. Like, okay. And regarding inventory info, so we'll discuss one more video I will give you. So you just start using practice after seeing my video, and you post me comments or you have any doubts related to that. I'll try to replay those things. And if you are interested, then just share my video and subscribe my channel. Uh, and you want to be asking any doubts, you just post me in the comments. Thank you.